today we got double trouble. This is the last two of 17 fans that I have built for a home somewhere in Arkansas. It was a 7.3. This is an 85 with the reverse switch on top. And this is a 99. Looks like it was made in January. The only neat thing about it is that it's got a maple chestnut blade set. Just wanted to commemorate the whole thing because it's 17 fans that I've built for the dude. This one I've got to take back apart. I got a little bit of oil coming back through the bottom plate there. I think I didn't clean the oil return adequately. Back up a little bit. Yeah, I mean, they're just your everyday bright brass originals. I think I built, I want to say it was 10 black fans and 2 36-inch fans, one black, one white, and then the rest are brass. 2 of the brass are going in the same room together. 4 blacks are going in the same room together. And yeah, they're your standard fans. I put new pull chain switches on them. Didn't have the right switch cap there. I actually did have one, but this is the last fan, and this one's actually going to wind up in the sunroom. So I said I'm not going to waste a new old stock switch cap, or even a really good one on that fan, because in 10 years it'll probably look like this. So go ahead and fire them up to high. Which is a lot of air movement for this little room. Spin down. While we're waiting on that, that's going to be my next video right there. Fanimation air shadow. I wonder which one's going to stop first. My money is on the 4-blade because of there's less rotating mass. Could be wrong. I know you guys probably are getting a little bit tired of the Hunter original stuff, but sometimes that's all I really have to offer. Not that that's a bad thing, but there's only but so many videos you can make on the same ceiling fan. So I'm going to be looking for different things, and that one is going to come to a stop first. Actually, pretty much stop at the same time. They're not full of oil. At least this one's not. So they just were ran for about 8 hours with a good old snort oil. So they're probably about dry by now. Anyway, that's all I had. I thought you guys would like to see this. Thanks for watching. Brian Hicks out.